Hi, this is Brandon with Ultimate Dent Repair, and we have this very large dent caused by a hailstone on the fender of this Subaru Crosstrek. And let's take a look at it. Okay, so you can see here we have a large dent on this fender. This dent is technically an oversized. That's anything larger than a $50 coin, and that's what this dent falls under. Just a really big dent. Alright, so here is the dent. I've already given it a couple pushes. I've got most of that center out. As you can see, it is slightly raised. So what I'm going to end up doing is tapping whatever is sticking out. Alright, so we have this dent done, and let's take a look at how it turned out. Alright, so this dent is complete and just a nice smooth finish the way that it should be. Can't even tell the dent was there. Please like and share. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Ultimate Dent, and Twitter as well at Ultimate_Dent. Thank you so much.